disorder or inside the immune itself, through the immune system, when it gets affected, this just erupts out over the skin. You can see this is in the severe cases, and different types are also there. So this is of one type. I will be giving you that this exists into which of the type. And whenever this autoimmune disorder exists over there, or it erupts into the body or over the body, so that affects the skin as well as the joints. Osteoarthritis or the parts of the skin, it will be affected. Now what I will suggest over here, that just superficially going through on this, that why it is erupting, maybe with some of the reaction of the medicine, or through what I will say, that this is internal, because when it is stating that it is auto, means from the body itself it is generating. So you have to reach to the root cause of that through what it is taking place. So rather dealing medically this one, I will go into those causes where from it is coming up, or why it has or why it is occurring time and again, because through allopathy and all it subsides, then again it erupts out, or seasonally, say for some people will be seeing it in this summer season or rainy season, or someone will be seeing in the winter season. So why it occurs, and at that time what happens during those seasons where the reflection is not of this one, why it subsides out. So what is the system which works inside, and this is externally, because it is being seen out, that's why it is stated as external manifestation. Now this external manifestation which is visible on the external body part, that is due to internal tumult, as exactly uncle has said, that this is maybe due to anxiety, or maybe some hypertension, or maybe the stress level which is stressing too much. So with that it is taken place. Now when it erupts over the body, it is seen in scaly terms. The patches will be there, silvery color it will be there, and this is chronic in the sense that it continues into. So and for getting cured it takes lot of time, with slow process the curing is there, unless and until that stress which is originating into the body through the thought procedure and affecting the glands secretion, that is being worked out, this won't be disappearing, or this won't be going from the body. And here as I told you that these are the silvery white appearances over the body, and sometimes like gaanch ki tarah wo ban jati hai, and very ugly it looks like. So mostly like these parts, or sometimes it will be here or any part of the body, those joints where it is there it gets accumulated, that piles up and then takes a round shape and then erupts up. वो कभी आपने देखा होगा छोटे छोटे, और फिर this scaly skins are over there. And apart from that, it has been visible over the scalp also. Sometimes white patches will be there, their hair won't be there, and then on that this scaly small chips sort of it will be visible. And in the initial stages it is termed as a dandruff sort of, but in acute cases that just comes down also, that sheds out. And sometimes or most of the times the burning and hurtling sensation, stinging sort of, like something is very, as a like air passes, so you will be finding that sort of a sensation over that one. You haven't done anything, or something hasn't come across, or some cloth and all that you haven't come across, but that when it passes through, blows the air blows, so this sort of you get it. And when you just itch on that one, so it aggravates and spreads over the rest of the area. At these spreadings you are seeing that this has been spread over. Now as because this gives the stingy, this one, so it is inflammatory, it just burns out within inside only. Why? Because that thing which you have kept or stored inside, which is giving you the stress level, and the stresses are just moving up, so that gives you this sensation, inflammation sensation. And here the cells, they go on replicating because that just falls on. So new cell, unless it comes so fastly, it doesn't come over there, and that's why that part, it is visible from a distance also in terms. Now this is a contrast of that one. This is a healthy skin, and these are the patches which you are seeing. This is psoriatic attacks, or that this one is there, and this is seen in terms of a plaques, that with scaly skins which comes out in chips. So that is there, and this will give you a burning sensation. That's why always you will be finding from the rest of the skin that this will be of red color, and in due course of time this turns into more darker, this one. So easily you can see this one, perceive this one. Now how it spreads over? It's a recurring condition. As I told you that maybe in summer season it has just subsided due to some climatic conditions, or maybe that the focus is not been given over there, or that thought procedure through which it is occurring, that is not flowing in those terms, so that subsides. But again, with more of attention and not able to cope up with the problematic situations and just swaying away with those, the thought procedure, this takes place. Now the severity varies from person to person, and sometimes this one is seen, this fingernails, this turns pale and then goes inside, and would there be scaly, that you will be finding it. I will be just showing it, that one also, and toe nails also, this gets affected. And this thing is when the nail is affected, that is known as dystrophy, because it disturbs the phase of this layer of the nail's skin. That's why it gives a different sort of a shape to that nail or the toe of that nail. So that's why. And same here, as I told you that so the skin as well as the joint, earlier as I had told you that this is affected. So this is most of the times when arthritic patient is there, in them also this can be seen, or it can be vice versa also. If this is there through the ages, so this can convert into this one. The patients can have the inflammation over there, and the secretion of that liquid over this part, the knee and all, or these joints, that won't be in proper terms, and in due course of time when it is rubbing, the two bones are rubbing, so there the lubrication that gets dried up, and with that this you can see over there. Now medically, in medical sciences, this is not known what is the cause of psoriasis, but into these alternative therapies, or like chakra balancing and healing, the source of this one is very much known. And if you have heard the name of this Louis Hay, who cures with these body parts or these ailments of the body with a particular sort of an affirmation given to those 7 chakras, she cures about this one. So in that case we cannot say that the cause of the psoriasis is not known. This has been known, and here these are the major problems over there, because the stress is there. So just to curb out the stress, few people just sway away into alcohol consumption as well as smoking also. Now what happens with this one, that this gives further dryness to the skin, and the stress at that time, that particular time when the person is smoking or the alcohol consumption is there, that soothes them, that gives them a sort of a soothing sensation. So with that it is not there, but after that immediately you will be finding it that it has erupted, and immediately you will be finding that inflammation and that hurtling sensation over there in that one. A lot of unbearable itching will be there in that one. And where you are just doing it, so the blood oozes out of that part, and that gets affected the other area also. And the other one is this one, that these all are pure medical terms, like lithium salt. When this potency is more into the body and body is not able to absorb this one, so this blocks that the flow of the fluids as well as the blood circulation, and with that also it triggers up and it aggravates this disorder. Now there are two major hypotheses. The first one is that this is the excessive growth and reproduction of skin cells. One hypothetic thought is there that because I told you that when this one is erupted over there, in few of the patients it has been seen that it just accumulates over there, piles up over there, and it gives an elevated small chota this sort of, and there the skin you will be seeing in the appearance of that will be also silvery, and the scales will be just small particles that will be just falling down. So that's why this one, the first hypothesis is based upon that one, that this is the excessive growth or the reproduction of the skin cells which accumulates one after another and piles it up, and with that curls up over there and the flow is not proper. So there the part gets dried up, and for that this has erupted over the skin. And the second one is there that maybe through the medication, the medicine is not suited and that has given this thing. That's why this has erupted, or this is seen over the surface of the skin. Now based on these one, this hypothesis has been worked out that T cells which are there in the body, which helps to protect the body against any of the infection, that becomes active and migrates from within the body itself. It migrates from one part to other part, and it gets accumulated over the dermatitis, or this is the skin's this layer, and there it triggers, and this is the medical term cytokinase. This is a tumor sort of necrosis factor which is related to alpha. These are the rays of that, and accumulation of that one that works on this one. Now as I was telling you that piling up is there and it becomes like this, so this is that one, that is known as plaque psoriasis. See, these are the white silvery colored patches which you will be seeing on that one, very dried one which seems to be, and surface, the rest of the surface will be these red colors, because that inflammation is there and automatically the hand over that particular portion when it goes, so this itches, and with that blood bleeds out, and again over that it erupts over. So that's why it gets piles up. Now 80 to 90% of the people are affected with this one, and this is a raised area as I told you, and lot of inflammation the skin will be observing, or it will be feeling about, and the rest of the part means around that, this will be covered with silvery white scaly skins. And if this sort of a psoriasis is there, because it is in this plaque sort of, that's why it is called as plaque psoriasis. The another one is inverse, just opposite of that one. Now here you won't be seeing any of the plaques, or the plaques which will be seen over, that will be within the body itself. Red color ka that accumulation will be there, as you are seeing these are very close, that's why this body you are seeing, or this part you are seeing, and the color will be full red, that a particular part of where this one is there. Now according to chakra, this can be given why over this part of the body this psoriasis is occurring. This can be told. And here the skin gets folded up within itself, that's why it is called as flexural or inverse psoriasis. That was outside, it erupts outside. This one is within only. Surface, if you are seeing it, you will be seeing it very plain, not that sort of plaque sort of. Surface will be very it will be not seen in terms of erupted one. Within itself it will be there, and this will be over the surface of that particular area which is affected on that surface. But the color which is appearing and the sensation which it is giving of the inflammation, with that we come to know that this is psoriasis. And this also leaves that scaly part, but not to that extent as it is seen in that plaque psoriasis. Then the other one is guttate psoriasis. This is oval sort of, you will be finding all over the body. That in summer season that prickly, this heat is there na, so like that sort of this one will be there. So this won't be just erupting over or in the season of summer itself, any during that annual this one, anytime this can be there. That's why it is known as guttate psoriasis. Very closely, intricately, this will be spread over the body. So we can make out the difference. Those prickly heats are very small that will be there, and that if you just spread the powder over there, so that gets subsided, but this won't be subsiding. When you are just powdering it on that, it will more erupt, because already the dried sensation is there, inflammation is there. So with that, the only thing is that you have to moisturize the body for this one. As much of moisturizer you can apply, so that works on this one. Then pustular psoriasis. This is a raised bump sort of, mostly hands or the feet's sole you will be finding this one, like this sort of it will be erupting over. Because of the shape of this one, now this is acute psoriasis. Same red color, full skin, the rest of the part of the skin will be seen in red, but the particular where the eruption is there and which is forming this round sort of protruded one, so that place this will be seen in terms of scaly, white scaly, this one. Now this is the nail which is affected, you are seeing it, this is just gone inside, or it seems to be that someone has pierced, or something has been something has fallen on this one, and that's why the person has got hurt of that one. And here you can see this one, there is no blood circulation, this is just turned pale, and these parts you are seeing, so this will be appearing red and these will be swelling up. So mostly this sort of, if the nails are affected or the nail psoriasis which is there, mostly during the this one winter season it is been seen over. And here it becomes very brittle and of its own it just crumbles on, and there again the new skin or the layer doesn't come over so easily. Now when the arthritic attacks are there, or along with arthritis the psoriasis is there, so this sort of you will be finding, these will be curved out, this one, see the swelling you are able to see over here. Now this is this part, so this is arthritic psoriasis. And connective, here the joints as well as the tissues which are there. Now see, these are this joints parts, and inside that the tissues which are there, they get affected over. The proper flow is not there, and that particular functioning of the limb ceases out due to the causes I will be just giving you, so that we can relate it, that how it happens over there. And now Here sometimes you can see that this skin just comes out like this. A full hand or full this soles, feet soles, it just comes out of that. Maybe it is said ki okay, drink more water. You have a lot of heat inside, that's why it is coming out. Like this sort of patches you will be seeing, and from there the skin you can just take out fully. So this sort of is known as erythrodermic psoriasis. Here also the skin exfoliates and inflammation will be there in between, because that reddish color which is there. So this is in acute cases. This one, the nail one which I have shown, and that this body parts, that reddish color that was there, and these elbows and all that, here sometimes here the accumulation, the very first one which I have shown. So those are due to less stress, but these are over those particular bodies, and the lesson of those particular bodies which is not been learnt in proper terms, with that it gets choked up over there or seizes up. Now these are the life's lesson which one is to learn, and for this only the psoriasis happens. The very first one is anxiety, any sort of anxiety for any sort of a thing, or with any sort of a feeling, or with a particular person. This anxiety, if it is there and it is stored up, the outlet of the anxiety is not there, so with that this psoriasis happens. Time and again it will be occurring. That's why it is stated that it is autoimmune disorder. So this is in our hands only, that we can curb out this one or we can just subside this one. Second thing, fear, any sort of fear, maybe childhood it can be, or maybe during the course of the time which one has accumulated, or which for which the outlet was not there, and the person is not able to cope up with that fear and he is going on piling it up. So with that this one is there. Or an old buried gunk, that is with someone, if you have an enmity or you are not able to forgive that person, so with this also this happens. Then sometimes people feel of them their own only, that I am being threatened, someone is there who is going to bully me or who is going to show me down. So with that also this erupts over the body. Then fear of being hurt, when the criticism is there and it has been criticized in such a manner which is not a critical appreciation, just to put down that person or show that I am superior and you are inferior, and that person is not that capable of taking this thing. So with that the fear builds up into his own immune or into his own thought procedure, and he very easily or she very easily gets hurt. Then sometimes deadening the sense of self. Now sometimes the people are seen, or especially ladies are there, the women folk. So what is there? Always they just sacrifice. Or suppose, let's take an example, in a family, husband and wife, they are not coping or they are not getting along properly with each other. So the boy shouldn't go what people will say, or when they are fighting, that is going out, or there is no end of this fighting, it doesn't come to any end. So with that sometimes the men folk or the other counterpart, they just keep quiet, they suppress themselves. So with that what happened, the sense of self they just forget. Then they think over, oh, it is useless, why we have come into why we have taken birth, what is the use of this life is not at all colorful, why so many challenges to me only, why people ditch me only, why they want to bully me only, what is the problem with me, or maybe I am like this, or maybe like main manhusu. So those sort of feelings when are there, so this is deadening of the sense of self. The self's entity one is dumping out. Then refusing to accept responsibility for one's own. This is what, now suppose you have committed a mistake, or suppose two persons are fighting in between, and that is not coming to any truce or coming to any end, and they maybe let's take this like this, that the husband has left the house. Now how long it will be just continuing on? So he has left the house. Now this housewife or this wife, someone else is there, so now she is taking out her winter feelings. I was right, now see, now always he does like this only. What was my fault? You also listen, na? You were also present over there. I didn't do anything. So that is not accepting to take the responsibility for one's own acts which one is doing. Then the other one is psychosociological problems. Now psychosociological problems means what? The belief system, the customs, the traditions, as well as the culture. The combination of that which one just builds in into himself. What the people will say if I go out. I am alone staying over here. Now if I come night at time, night, maybe my profession is like that, I am coming at night. So what the people will think, or inside the family, if constantly that girl or a boy is being said that, see, it's not good, you are coming late at night, 12 o'clock. What people will say? People will call our names. They will say which sort of parents they are. They have just, or dress sense which is there, and which they are not liking being traditional, that this is not into our tradition or into our family system. So you also don't. And this, the pressure over here is building up, that they are calling that you are old fashioned, you are still into that century. So with that, the pressure which is building up in both, so that is psychosocial problems. And sometimes this converts into guilt, because what you are doing, you are deadening yourself to have your entity keep in front of, and then second, on top of that, you are not accepting that if this is to be done, this won't be with one hand. So the both the parties are involved, maybe 70% this side, 30 over here, or vice versa, 70 here and 30 here. So this sort of, when it piles up, so that accumulates over there. And in this yoga also, as well as chakra also, for these all, the seeds are there. The seeds are there. Now I will tell you the first psoriasis which you have seen. How to just go back? This is denial of self, deadening. That's why the cells are deadening and it is showing on the body. Your own feeling, this is showing on the body. The second one which is there, so this is acute anxiety, just bearing of others also. We are not supposed to. So with that, this part is just blocked. You are seeing over here. Now this one is what? This guttate is what? This is spread over everywhere of one's own feeling, which one is not able to give an outlet to that one. So this one is showing all over the body in such sort of, in terms of guttates. And this one, the balance is not there in between yin and yang. In a particular body, both are there, yin and yang. These are nothing, this is feminine as well as masculine. So whether it is a man or a lady, for both this will be there. Half part will be masculine and half will be feminine. Now if you see of the chakras, so lower three chakras, that is root, then sacral, then this solar plexus, these are the masculine, where the action is to be put, and from heart to up they are feminine, where compassion is there, giving is there, forgiving is there, unconditional love is there. So that's why that is known as feminine. So in men as well as women, both you will be having this. So one is to balance this one. This is the giving, this is the receiving. So when it is not in proper way, so you will be finding this with the accumulation of anxiety, because the anxiety has just come in, seeped in, and you are not able to flow the frequency from here of the giving. And when this is imbalanced, so this automatically will be imbalanced. Now the question arises that why it erupts over the skin only. The question over here, that appearance is of the skin. Why it is of the skin? This can be perceived from the naked eyes only. If you are going for any of the testing or any of the diagnosis of this one, so nothing will be there. One is to, when the patient comes over, so one is to speak about. So they both will be transacting, and in that the person, whether a doctor or any of the counselor or a guide who is giving the guidance, they will be listening to that one. And in that listening procedure, what is been inside, that just comes out, and with that only the curing takes place. Medicine won't be working on this one. Right? And now why this one is there? The plaques which is there, their pinpoint bleeding from the skin will be there. Why it bleeds out? See, there are layers of the skin, 7 layers are there, and this one is on the topmost layer of this one. So still how it goes, and just immediately after this, below this, the skinless layer, there is not the flow of the blood, or that these nerves or these cells or tissues are not there. So how it get damaged and how it just oozes it out? That's the question over here. See, whenever the anxiety will be there, the fear will be there, the guilt will be there, that is to be seen. Always it will be perceived over the skin only. Over the skin only. And these all things which you are seeing, plaques or this oozing of the blood coming out of inflammation, acute inflammation, so those are all are the symptoms which is saying to the body that release those. Means that tightly you have clutched those things which you are not able to release it, so that the signs and the symptoms it is showing over the body. Now when you clutch sand over here and leave it, what will happen? You have clutched it tightly, because unless you clutch it tightly, it will just fall down. It will just go down only, na? So you have clutched it. Okay, chalo, I am clutching it, so with that maybe some part or some particles will be inside that. But no sooner again you are loosening it, it goes down. So similar thing is there. You have clutched so tightly that there is no circulation of that one. The feeling cannot move from there. So that is become a clutter. So now clutter, what it is doing? That clutter, it is giving a bad odor or bad smell. So bad smell or bad odor is what? This is showing over the skin in this term, which is become dead. Nothing is there. So it is reminding you. That's why the life's lesson was there. This one, how you have to work upon that one. Leave it, that is of the past. live in now's moment. That past you have carried forward and still you are seeing this over here, and this is not going to work in future also. And over the bridge of this past to present to future, present won't be building your future. Everything is in now moment. Now these are the types which is there, and location and characteristics. This has been given over there, that whenever this plaque will be there, that will be seen over the limbs, trunk and scalp. Now this is acute when scalp is affected with the psoriasis, so that is sexual guilt with which this has been seen. Now the trunk part, if it is there, this side or this side, if it is there, so that is the responsibility. You haven't borne it in proper terms and you are feeling incapable that this was my responsibility and I couldn't do it much for this one. That's why it is there. Now limbs is what they are. This is action, full action. If this or that feet, this one. So this is full action. It means that only has given the feeling to you that, oh, I was not responsible enough, or maybe I am not capable of doing, or maybe I did not do it in proper terms, or maybe I am not able to satisfy. So that thing which is building up, so that has just choked the limbs and it is coming out in this term. And when it is attached with arthritis also, this one, so it makes it more severe. These are the other triggering factors, that is stress, emotional distress. When emotions you are blocking it and there is no outlet for that one, or you are very sensitive or very emotional, if someone is saying, taking it what the other party has said, taking it in a right perspective and a proper perspective, when you are just curling it up, so that becomes as distress. Then sometimes climate and temperature, that major climates or acute sort of climates. Now from here, suppose if you are going and staying in Sikkim sort of area, or maybe in the Himalayas and all that, so there also you can come across with this. So this one is purely nothing to do with stress and all that. Yeah, of course the stress and anxiety, there also it builds up. But due to the climatic condition or the change or the variation, this appears on that. And sometimes skin injuries, they are properly not treated, the cut and the bruises which are there not properly taken care of, so with that also it is seen over. And some conventional medicines like these are there, which doesn't suit to the body's immune, so with that also steroids or anti-inflammatory drugs and all that, with that also it causes up. Alcohol, too much of consumption of alcohol, or too much of smoking, or too much of that chewing of the tobacco, and then general health if it is in a poor condition, and then mostly if much of the exposure is there to the ultraviolet rays, that is of the sun's side, too much of sun exposure if it is there, or some sort of a immune if it is there, so with that also it takes place. And this is all changes, hormonal imbalances or hormonal changes, with that also this can be seen out. That is thyroid, pineal gland, that will be mostly affected to this one. And for this the medication is, the major one is there, if you go allopathy, so this is phototherapy, this major medication is there for this. And basically the other thing is counseling, whatever the feelings which you have just gripped over or you have kept it inside, release it, with that also one can be cured. Or schemas which are being given to them. Schema is what actually that is, now let's take for an example, if a war takes place, that is for the betterment, which just topsy-turvies the socio-political economical condition. Understood this one? So this, the statement which I have said, that is a schema. So this sort of schemas, when this, the person is been given who is affected with this, so that releases out. That is, this side is the darker side, war when it takes place. But what is the lighter side? The other side of that one, that okay, this is for the betterment and let it happen. Of course, lot of bloodshed and lot of casualties will be there, but still that light we will be seeing, and that light will be what? That is for a better change. Now let's take this example, as the party has changed from Congress to this one. So with that the particular stress which was built up inside the mind of the general public, a little bit it is released. Now again from today the rates have been increased, the fares have been increased of the railways. So with that, so these all are schemas. So if positive schema is being triggered out, so with that it releases out. What releases out? Nothing. That is the anxiety as well as the fear as well as the guilt, those things which you have seen over there. So that releases out. So the blockade where it is there, or the emotional distress which is there, so those all things releases out. Another, these are the topical treatments. In naturopathy also the treatment is there, that is full body, that mud, apply the mud, but only mud won't work out. In that you have to mix honey, then this cucumber juice, and then the other one is what? Tomato juice, and with that you have to apply glycerin, a bit of a pinch of glycerin also. So that is in naturopathy. These topical treatments, these are all are like a part of this our allopathic medicine only. This is an acid which has been applied over, and with that also the curings has been seen over. Then this is full body is been applied with coal tar. That is also one of the way of the treatment. So why? Because see, when you are applying the this coal tar, so now you just tell me what happens when you apply to the body the coal tar. So what is happening inside the body? Means this surface of the skin. Pores doesn't get blocked. Those one was there na, this ultraviolet rays exposure, overexposure. So that blocks it na, because that is black color. So below that it doesn't go. So that doesn't affect the body. That soothes up. And this is the another one. This is this works on the thick plaque psoriasis. On that, the portion which is affected, there it is been applied. So that what happens, that always the hand goes over to those parts, and no sooner you are just itching, so it again will be bleeding out. So just to that soothe it, this one is applied on that one. And this works also in terms of SA. SA is an agent that is alpha rays agent which is mixed with sulfur, and that works on that one. This is also one is this treatment is also anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive. Now see, the thought procedure which goes on, or which is inside the body taking place, because the full thing, whatever the enactment or whatever the moves one is taking, that all is been worked out with thought only. If the thought is very crystal clear and in a positive direction, so that won't affect the immune system, and these all negative things won't be accumulating inside the body. So when it is not accumulating, so that won't be blocking the energy circles or the energy frequencies which we take in and which we take out. It won't be blocking that one. So with that it works in smoother order. But no sooner from any part, if you are very feeble part, in the sense the senses, because the thought or whatever we take in or we built in terms of a belief. So what is that? Where from we just take inside, or how we put it inside, how we access it inside and send it to the memory. So that is the thing, or the procedure is, or the process is only that the accessing is through in which order you have taken it, that one, and in which order it is been programmed in you. Either you have programmed yourself or from outside it is been programmed. Now let's take for an example, when a child is been born and he is of 5 years old, so he knows everything about that where from he is come, what all he is done. But coming over here, the programming which has been done from the side of the parents, that corrupts his mind. So that from there, that order, it turns into negative, because the right perspective is not been shown, and the belief system on which they were working, they were not able to gel in to the particular time, and the same thing is continuing, the same thing is being forwarded to this, and then he is to continue with this one. Unless and until he is so strong, it doesn't mean that he will be agitating or he will be aggressive, but he should know that what is and what is not. So with that, if the programming is being done, because in India this is the most commonest thing, that out of, it's not compassion, it's not called as compassion, but out of love, that most of the things they don't allow to a small baby to do that one. Whereas on the counterpart in foreign, you have seen that when they are 6 months old itself, they are being put into the water for swimming and all that. So they don't spoon feed, whereas for everything we spoon feed over here. Till coming to this age, it's also they just spoon feed it. No, don't do this one, this will happen. So that happens. So that is there. And as I told you, this is the phototherapy. These are the 3 rays. This is alpha, ultraviolet alpha, this is ultraviolet beta, and this is the P value of ultraviolet alpha. This one is being passed through or administered. These are the channels, lamp as well as sunlight, a combination or separate, both can work out in this one. And this modulates the immune itself, the system itself. This is known as systemic therapy. Systemic means a combination of schema and stem. So that this one is, these are the medicines which are being prescribed for that one. Basically this is to be curbed out. Bacterial infection, those plaques which you have seen over there, or that this one over body's part which you have seen, that is the accumulation of those bacteria to those parts. Bacteria is nothing, the ill feeling or the negative feeling through the anxiety, through the guilty or through the fear which has been accumulated, that has erupted outside the surface of the body. So these are the self-help also one can do. Sunlight, which is known as climatotherapy. Another one is that always keep your skin moisturized. Then weight reduction. Weight reduction, why it is stated over here? Because the stress or the anxiety that gives effect to the choking or to the imbalance of the thyroid glands, and then that is one of the cause of imbalance into this one. So that's why it has been asked for. And then relaxation, as much you will be relaxing, various ways, various channels, maybe meditation, maybe some entertaining program, or maybe talking, or maybe outings, maybe nature watching and all that. So with that it can be cured out. And then most of fiber intake, and this is a very, very miraculous, this one. If you take for 15 days, you can find it out, the difference. And you can massage with this also, it gives you the soothing effect also, and it works for this. Evening primrose oil, or you can lit it also, the fragrance that it can. There are now very many this pot sort of thing where a candle, this one stick sort of thing is been put inside, and that pot is been filled with this, and that when it is burnt, so that just spreads the fragrance. Or through electricity also this sort of gadgets have come, so you can work. Then this is the most important thing, that you have to quit smoking, because what it does, the moment you lit that one, and then till you are into that feeling, so it blocks it up, all those feelings or whatever, the anxiety, the guilt, as well as the fear which is there. So it doesn't suppress, it just blocks over there, that remains over there only. And when you come out of that, so again it gives you double dose. So that's why it is asked for quitting that one. Not go for that immediate solutions, but go for a longer term therapies or solutions. And similar thing is, this also gives that same, works as an agent. So this also is to be avoided. And 4 or 5 helpings of fruits that will be giving the moisturizer to the body. And for weight reduction, now you will be asking, say it's not common that only to obese people you will be seeing this one. The common thing is that whosoever has accumulated the anxiety, the stress, and not able to release and relieve that one, and guilt of self or for any other person, so they will be having this psoriasis, not in the initial stages, afterwards, or in middle ages, anytime it can, of the accumulation. And then this red meat, animal fat and sugar, one is to cover. Now why this is made, because these are the heavier, this one to digest, and gives the carbohydrates more to the body, and that will convert it into weight. And the anxiety's outlet won't be there, the fear or stress, so one will be more stressed that, oh, see, my body is like I was so beautiful, now I have become like this. So the relieving is not there, the release is not there. And as I told you, this is teaspoon of flaxseed if you are taking it, and if you are making the paste of that one and applying to the body, uptan which we call, no, so with that also it works, so it gives that one. Thank you.